Hey, good evening, everybody. Quick update video for you. I have all the sheathing applied to the top deck. There's about 42 feet of a new layout here. It's going to stay like this for the next couple of weeks while I transfer all these cars, locomotives, all this here. There's 300 cars up on top here, I think. Not to mention what's over there. So this will take me a couple hours by itself. So come back later on. I'll show you what it all looks like after they're sitting over there. Things are moving fast here on the layout.